YouTube, what's up, Subway 180 Junior? Welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I did a blurry fade here on big hair. I just shaped his hair up and then sponged it, and then I did him a blurry fade, shape up on fleek, everything and that. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Yeah, right there. Like and comment what you want to see in the next video. Go follow my socials, they're gonna be in my intro. And it's your boy 180 Junior. Stay tuned.
Seen racks but wanna see more though. Seen packs but wanna see more bro. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. I'm free.
I'm gonna start this haircut off by combing out the hair, trying to pick out everything, getting it picked out and preparing the fade. I'm gonna take my T-guard open and go straight up, not digging, just go straight up so you can prepare the sides for the fade. I was debulking here. Start with my first skyline, which is the bold line, and I'm gonna make this like a mid fade, but I'm gonna drop it at the back so I can have a nice transition and a better transition to the fade. I'm gonna take my magic clips and I'm gonna make the 0.5 guide down here, make it 1/2 inch and keep it consistent all around. Make sure you go over it multiple times. And now I'm gonna take my one guard open and go same 1/2 inch and make sure you go over this guideline multiple times so you can make sure it's at that one guard open length. Now I'm gonna take my T-guard close and go up, trying to debulk the sides so it can be easier to connect it to the top. And now my free hands, as you can see here, I'm gonna go straight up. But this is not gonna be the final shape because I'm gonna sponge it, and he did it on the high top. I just did this so I can see the fade clearly. And now I got my 1.5 guard open, and I'm flicking out in between the T-guard and the 1.5. And now I'll close the lever here and I'm gonna flick out, trying to get ready to take out that middle line right there. And now I'm gonna close my one guard and flick out the middle line. Just keep in mind that this will not take out the middle line, this will just soften it up, and I'll take it out with a 0 guard. And now I'm gonna take my 0 guard with halfway closed, and I'm gonna play with the lever here, trying to get rid of that middle line.
CJ's to a bro, gotta stay low. Tempted, just wanna see blood flow. Baby love Bobby, she get low.
And now I'm gonna close the lever with no guard, and I'm gonna flick out the middle line. Make sure when you go up, you keep on opening the lever so you can add a nice transition to the fade.
Seen packs but wanna see more crow. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. I'm free my bros in the cells. T-Hub.
And now I'm gonna take my one guard closed, and I'm gonna go over the hairline so I can make it short and sharp. And I'm gonna spray spritz so I can put it into hold, and I'm gonna start shaping his shape up.
Yo, score goals like Shaq or Nil. Green lights when the shit gets filled. If not, swing hands like Tyson. Either way, I can't lack on the fields. CJ's to a bro, gotta stay low. Tempted, just wanna see blood flow. And if the gorilla gets raided, we're switching up homes. What you bro, we are violent soul. Trap mode on a step on road. No talking, just feed him the pole. Mask on, who's that you don't know? It could have been me or it could have been bro. Splashy, hit chest and ghost. I'll be cold as you know. If you ain't me, then you gotta be bro. Think of that whip, just like we post. What you bro, we are violent soul. Trap mode on a step on road. No talking, just feed him the pole. Mask on, who's that you don't know? It could have been me or it could have been bro. Splashy, hit chest and ghost. I'll be cold as you know. If you ain't me, then you gotta be bro. Think of that whip, just like we post. TT, that's bro. Back into us, no way that you're getting home. Me and bro got matching place, your face, no you can't escape. Had to tell bro, stay low, cause the jakes wanna take my mates. It was bando late, till they got locked off due to the jakes. Now it's back to the mates, TT, in love with his Rambo blade. Think of that whip, tryna slide on an old school mate. I've seen man dash love running away, mask on face.
This is why they call me 180 Junior. You know what I'm saying? Because when you sit in my chair, I spin your full 180, and you come out looking like BAM! YouTube, this is a cut. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment what you see in the next video. And it's your boy 180 Junior. I'll see you next week. Peace.
Seen racks but wanna see more though. Seen packs but wanna see more crow. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. Seen fakes but couldn't care less bro. I'm free.